Life of Pi. Yes, that was an amazing movie. I really love that movie. By the way, we are going to talk about all the pie charts in this video. So there are two types of pie chart. One is a normal pie which is there in front of us, and the other one is a category of different pie charts, which is bar of pi and pie of pi. So let's see. The way of creating this chart is again similar, but one addition to it. You can see this 8%, it is separated from rest of the pieces. Now I'll just join it once, and now I'll explain you how I've done it and how it is useful while you present it in front of people. Now if you're presenting it and if you want to take out something from this pie to highlight it, for example this 48%, when I click it once, you can see every piece of this pie is selected. Dots are everywhere. When I click it once again, only this piece is selected. Now if this piece is selected, I can click and drag it out like this. You can see this is how I can present the pie in front of my audience. Now I'll just undo it by pressing Ctrl Z, and if nothing is selected and I can click and drag it out and I'll leave it, it will explode my pie. Every piece of this pie will get separated. And how I can join it? I can just click and drag it inside. The next type of pie we have is bar of pi. For example, the data in front of us is this, in which we have the categories as well as the amount for those categories. Now look at this data carefully. We have the rent, supplies and utilities and the salary with us. But the salary is divided into different subcategories. Now technically we cannot show these two things on a single chart, but we have a different chart type available with us, which is bar of pi. Here you can see this pink part is basically the complete salary. This is the total salary, and this bar is basically all the bifurcated salary portions, region 1, region 2, region 3 and 4. Now the limitation of this chart is that you can maximum show only one major category's minor category, and also you have to put all those minor categories at the bottom of the data. I'll show you why I'm saying that. First, I'll just delete it and we will create this chart from scratch. How? We'll just select the data first and then we'll go to insert, and under the pie category we have an option which is bar of pi and pie of pi. So let's go with pie of pi this time, and here you can see that the chart is being created. But one problem. The problem is that in this chart the smaller pie has only 3 pieces. It should be having 4 pieces because there are 4 subcategories. Mean by default what Excel has taken is one minor category into this bigger pie, which is wrong. So what we'll do, we'll just customize it. So we'll just right click on the smaller pie and we'll click on format data series, and there you can see values in second plot 3. In the previous version it will show second plot contains the last. So what we'll do, we'll increase it to 4. The moment we did it, you can see it has been changed. So we'll close it down, and here we have this pie of pi. Thank you.